What is up, y'all? It's favorite producer Ron got the recipe, and today I'm going to show you how to build a beat around vocals step by step. All right. If you're someone that likes to add vocals to your beats, this is the video for you. If you're someone that is a songwriter or you're a producer working with an artist and they have an idea and you want to build around it, this is the video for you. Let's get it. So this is going to be a 3-part video. Instead of me cutting down an hour-long video, I'm going to make them into 3 parts. That way we can spend more time focusing on each thing and I'm not rushing through it. So this part is just going to be on the vocal and creating the melody around it, building the melody. Part 2 will be about music production, how to build around it, and sound selection, which is very important. And part 3 will be arrangement from start to finish, okay? Intro, chorus, verse, potentially a bridge, outro. We'll get to it. So when I build around vocals, the very first thing I look for is the tempo and the key. That's very important. Now, I haven't searched for anything yet. This is the default search page here on LANDR, and this is where I go to find my vocals. So if I play this first vocal here, boom, just an idea. So the vocal is in the key of B minor. So if I play B minor on my keyboard, and I'll bring up chord watch so you can see, right? And I actually play this vocal again. As you can see, it's in the right key. So matches with what the vocal is playing. Let's do another one. All right, so now we've got the key is in D minor. So if I play D minor in my left hand, should match up. Let's try it. So that chord matches the key of the song. We need to figure out what are the chords that go with that. This is how you do it. Now, this is how you use AI to actually help you without letting it do all the work. You're gonna go into ChatGPT and type in what chords are relative to D minor. Boom. So ChatGPT is going to give you an answer. So now these are the main chords that sound at home with D minor. All right. So we could try F major, from D minor to F major. That one works. So from D minor, B flat major. So we've got D minor. We're going to go to F major next. And then we're going to go to that B major, B flat major. All right. So now let's go back to where we got our sample from and let's see if that will work, right? Crazy, it works, right? Now, if you want to get fancy with it, yeah, just add those 9s to it or 11s. Let's play it again. Here we go.
If your love was true.
And just like that, we're building around vocals. That is incredible. So easy. We used a little bit of AI to help us figure out like what notes actually go with this. And now we can build around any chord. All right, so now I can drag my vocal right into Ableton. For safety, what I'll do is just turn this to Complex Pro, just so I don't get any kind of warping going on. But I'm at 120, the vocals at 120. I shouldn't get any of that anyway. And let's just loop it. Here we go. All right, so boom, just like that, we've got them in, we've got our vocal and we've got our keys in sync. All right. And just like that, we've got our piano and our vocal in sync. And from this point on, it's all about sound selection and production, baby. Again, if you want to see the part 2 in this video, I'll be posting it Tuesday, which is tomorrow. Tune in for it, and we'll go step by step on how to produce around this vocal. All right, we got the melody down, okay? But there's so much more that we can do, so much more ideas we can add. Stick around for it. If you like content like this, hit me with a like, leave a comment, and if you really like it, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Hey, what's up, y'all? Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, don't forget to leave a comment, a like, share this video with a friend, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Peace.